Miss Zandra, I mean, no, let the lace speak for itself. Let the wig speak for itself. Alright you guys, so I am back with another wig review. Today I'm going to be working with Miss Zandra. She is a side part bob. I'm super duper excited for her just because I haven't had a side part bob in a minute. And I'm actually just going to go ahead and throw her on, and then we're going to get all into the details of Miss Zandra. Also, if you guys want to know how I achieved this makeup look, don't forget to check out the description box down below. I am going to link that makeup look to this video as well as in the iCards as well. And also do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn your post notifications on so you guys know when I upload new videos. I went ahead and took the net off of Zandra and took all the foam and papers out. She does have 2 combs in the front section for security, and we also have a comb in the nape section. She also comes with adjustable straps as well, and you do have an elastic band. You guys, I love the elastic band on this wig series. It definitely does make applying your wigs a little bit more secure, and it makes it a whole lot beginner friendly. So if you're looking for a beginner friendly wig that you don't want to go anywhere, definitely make sure you check out the Outre Melted Hairline series. And you guys, the lace on Zandra does look a little bit beige. She does have a beige tint to it. I know it's not picking up beige on camera, but in person she does look a little bit beige on the lace. But you guys, the lace is phenomenal. Like, I really do love the lace on all of the units that I've had from the Outre Melted Line series. Definitely make sure that you guys check out Kamiyah and Seraphine, the reviews on those 2 wigs. I am going to link those to this one. But they did go ahead and pre-pluck the hairline for us, so I should not have to do any plucking. And I think they gave us some baby hairs too. So let me go ahead and just pop this wig on, and I'm going to talk about if I like Miss Zandra. Alright you guys, so it is the nighttime. I actually wore this wig throughout the entire day today at work. And you guys, like, we just gotta get into Miss Zandra. So, y'all, I'm gonna let y'all get a little close up of the hairline real quick. So far as securing it down, I didn't glue down the lace, so the wig is literally sitting on top of my head, but it's not going anywhere. The only reason why I didn't do baby hairs is just because you really can't see it with the way this wig falls on my face. You really wouldn't be able to see them. But I did do one little swoop right here on this side, and I wanted to pull my hair back behind my ear just to show you guys that you can kind of style this wig to your liking. Now, my pros that I have for Miss Zandra is definitely the lace. Like, I do love the lace. It's very, very transparent. So if you are a lighter or darker complexion, you are able to manipulate the lace. I just put foundation on the lace and on the parting space to kind of help it blend in with my complexion and my makeup. Now, another thing that I do like besides the elastic band is just the cut on the wig. Sometimes, me personally, I stayed away from asymmetrical bobs just because they just looked really, really weird. And I like how the bob stops like right above my neck. I'm gonna bring my jacket down some so you guys can really see where the cut is falling on the back of me. But I like how the cut is just sitting right here above my neck. It's not itching or scratching my shoulders at all. So yes, I definitely like the cut itself. The wig is super duper soft. Like, the wig does feel like a nice silky texture, a nice silky relaxed texture. Very, very soft. I like that. I like the luster of the unit. and I do like the density. It's not too thick, but it's not thin at all either. The wig does have light. The wig also does have a lot of body to it for it to be a synthetic wig. It's not stiff at all, honey. Like, this bob is not stiff, okay? Okay, like, it's not stiff at all. I really do like that about it. Now, the cons that I have for Miss Zandra are kind of similar to what I was feeling with Miss Seraphine. The shedding, you guys, is out of control. Okay, it's not out of control, but for this wig to come straight out the box, I did receive some shedding. But yeah, so taking this wig out the box and just styling it, every single time that I brush it, run my fingers through it, it does shed. So even me just running my fingers through it now, I'm getting strands of hair as we're talking. So as I'm talking to you guys now, I'm getting strands of hair coming out of the wig. So that's definitely the major con for me, is the shedding on the unit. Other than that, it doesn't really tangle much at all. And being that this unit is shorter, you're not going to see as much shedding as with a longer synthetic unit. And that's basically the only bad thing I have to say about Miss Zandra. Other than that, I really do love this unit. Like, for it to be a bob, a synthetic bob, I really do love this unit. One of my coworkers actually thought that this was my real hair. So, I mean, Miss Zandra, I mean, let the lace speak for itself. Let the wig speak for itself. You guys, like, honestly, I would give Miss Zandra probably a nice 9 out of 10. And the reason why I give her a 9 out of 10 is because of the shedding. But other than that, I mean, she's really a nice beginner-friendly wig. Very easy to install this wig on your head, especially when it comes to doing the baby hairs. Like I said, I could have went in and did a little bit more baby hairs around the perimeter of the wig, but I chose not to just because, me personally, when I'm wearing a bob, I don't wear baby hairs anyway. So I really like this. It really could dupe for a nice little sew-in. So if you're looking for an affordable beginner-friendly wig, definitely check out the Outre Melted Hairline Zandra wig. Like, you guys, I'm going to leave all the info down below in the description box. I really did enjoy this unit. And as always, you guys, do not forget to drop me a comment down below of your thoughts on the Outre Melted Hairline wig Zandra. Let me know if you guys have tried any of the wigs from this Melted Hairline collection. Let me know your thoughts. Also, let me know, you guys, if you guys like this unit, and let me know what other units you guys want me to try out in the future. And most importantly, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. And most importantly, remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, and stay poppin', and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.